Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to choose the best loadout in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, first is Bruin LMG. Although LMGs may not be the most popular choice for some players, they can be incredibly effective, especially in long ranges and medium range combat. The Bruin LMG has a super effective range, and its recoil, while having a horizontal kick, can be managed with proper attachments. Number 2 is MK2 Frag-12. This shotgun has a fast fire rate, and its pellets spread can be devastating at close range. It's an excellent option for players who prefer a more aggressive playstyle. When it comes to number 3, we have the Holger 26. This assault rifle has a low recoil and can be incredibly effective in mid to long range combat. However, its magazine size is relatively small, so you may want to consider using an extended mag attachment. When it comes to number 4, it is XRK Stalker. This sniper rifle is an excellent option for players who prefer keyboard and mouse or controller. However, if you're playing on a touchscreen, sniping can be incredibly challenging. The XRK Stalker has a fast aim down sight speed, and its bullets travel fast, making it a reliable option for long-range combat. When it comes to number 5, we have PYTAEK 25. This LMG has a fast fire rate, and its recoil is relatively easy to control. It's an excellent option for players who prefer a more aggressive playstyle and can be managed recoil effectively. When it comes to number 6, we have the HG40. This SMG has a fast fire rate, and its accuracy is impressive. It's an excellent option for players who prefer close quarters combat and can manage recoil effectively. And when it comes to our last, which is the number 7, we have the AK-117. This assault rifle has a low recoil, and its bullets travel fast, making it an excellent option for mid to long range combat. And that's how to choose the best loadout in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.